In today's volatile financial landscape, are you concerned about how your hard-earned retirement savings will be taxed when you pass it on to your loved ones? With estate taxes looming over many American retirees, there's one smart move you can make to safeguard your legacy: a gold IRA. But how exactly does it work to protect your wealth from estate taxes? Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you. The tax burden on estates can be significant, and with current economic uncertainties, rising inflation, changes in tax laws, and potential shifts in the political landscape, it's more important than ever to think ahead about your legacy. And in the midst of all this, many people are turning to gold IRAs as a way to protect not just their savings, but the future of their families. Meet Jim and Linda Carter, a couple from Florida who spent their lives working hard. Jim, a retired engineer, and Linda, a former teacher, worked their way up, saving for retirement and securing a comfortable life. When Jim turned 65, they started thinking about how they could protect their nest egg, not just for themselves, but for their children and grandchildren. But then, they learned that, without the right planning, their retirement savings could be taxed heavily when they passed them down. They knew they had to make a move to avoid leaving their family with a huge tax bill. And that's when they found out about gold IRAs. Here's the reality. When you pass away, the IRS can tax your estate. Estate taxes kick in when your estate is worth more than a certain threshold, and that includes things like your retirement accounts. If your estate is large enough, the IRS could seize a substantial portion of what you've worked your entire life to save. So, how do gold IRAs come into play? A gold IRA allows you to move your retirement savings into physical gold, which is treated differently from traditional retirement accounts like a 401k or a traditional IRA. The beauty of a gold IRA is that it's generally protected from estate taxes, meaning your heirs could inherit your gold without having to deal with a hefty tax bill. Jim and Linda were no strangers to hard work, but the idea of their children having to pay taxes on their lifetime of savings felt unfair. After doing some research, they made the decision to roll over part of their retirement funds into a gold IRA. They knew that with the volatility of the stock market, gold had historically been a safe haven during times of economic uncertainty. But beyond that, the tax advantages it offered gave them the peace of mind they needed to move forward. Gold IRAs offer more than just protection from estate taxes. They offer security during uncertain times. Gold tends to retain its value, especially when inflation and economic instability hit hard. By rolling over part of your retirement into a gold IRA, you can hedge against the risk of market volatility, and as Jim and Linda discovered, avoid the crushing impact of estate taxes. Not only do you protect your hard-earned wealth, but you also ensure that your children or grandchildren can inherit it without facing a massive tax liability. And the best part? Gold IRAs provide you with more control over your retirement savings, giving you a tangible asset that can be passed down through generations. Jim and Linda are now able to sleep easy, knowing that their retirement savings are protected for the next generation. They're not just thinking about their own future, but they're securing their children's financial legacy as well. And you can do the same. No one wants to leave their family with a financial burden. With a gold IRA, you're giving your heirs the gift of financial stability without the worry of taxes eating away at their inheritance. If you're someone who's worked hard to build your retirement savings, it's time to take action. Protect what you've built for your family and the generations to come. I'm offering you a free gold IRA guide, no strings attached, and a no-obligation educational call to see if a gold IRA is the right fit for you. Whether your retirement is worth $100K or over $1 million, it's time to secure your legacy today. Take the first step towards peace of mind. Click the link in the description to grab your free guide and schedule your call. There's no high-pressure sales, just one-on-one education to make sure you understand exactly how a gold IRA can help avoid estate taxes and protect your nest egg. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your retirement. Protect your legacy. Thanks for watching. And remember, it's not just about saving money. It's about preserving your future. Take control of your wealth with a gold IRA. We'll see you in the next video.